So, the morning after the horrendous, I got some sleep. Wasn't a lot. I got more sleep in the 5 hours my hammock was up last week than I did in the all night the tent was up, because even though the ground was level and the air mattress is okay, it was still really fucking uncomfortable, and I was in a lot of pain all through the night. And you've only got that much space inside, nowhere near enough space to get dressed. You got to throw stuff outside and then get dressed, because the only benefit to the tent is you've got space to put stuff inside away from bugs. That's it. And that, you don't have very far to fall if it rips open. But you've got the constant worry that rats might nibble their way through. I've read too many horror books. And you've got too many issues with it. Whereas a hammock, I got cord, I could have extended the bloody straps to make it go from that tree to that tree. And it would have worked. It'd have been a bit more convoluted, but it would have worked. Whereas a tent is just such a pain in the ass. And right now it's raining. I'm in the trees, so I can only feel it a little bit. But that's open area, and it is starting to rain quite heavily. The thing is, I want to pack up and leave now, because I'd rather walk carrying all that with my knackered legs in drizzle and rain, and it's coming down heavier, and not be completely sweating my bollocks off, than wait until it stops and then have to walk through heat and humidity. I did however spot something quite nice on that tree, which you probably can't see at the moment. Mushrooms, lots and lots of mushrooms, and there's more down there. Lots and lots and lots of mushrooms. So I'm going to be having them before I go home. Or rather, I'm going to pick them and take them home and cook them. The temptation to cook them here, but I've got no oil to fry them. I could make some oil out of some plants, but I can't be asked. I've got some water left, so I could boil them, but I don't really fancy boiled mushrooms. It would take at least half an hour to an hour to do that. So sod it, I'm going to pack up and head off.